If you are looking to learn integration by parts from the basics and build real confidence, this video is for you. This is the main formula of integration by parts, where you can see that it is talking about product of two functions u and v. And obviously the expansion of the formula is in terms of u and v only. But what you can see here, that here u is there and in here it is u prime. U prime means you have to take derivative of u at this place. And other term I can see it is v1. And what is v1? v1 is actually we have to integrate v with respect to x. So in this way we are going to work on this formula and try to do examples. Whenever we have to choose u, so we have to use LIATE rule. This is important. Some people use iitjee rule too. Both is correct, whatever you use, because you will get the same answer. So LIATE rule is what? Actually L is for logarithmic, I for inverse trigonometric, A for algebraic function, T for trigonometric, and E for exponential. It means that according to the type of the functions, we decide that what will be u in the problem. For example, if I take 2-3 examples quickly to understand how we are going to choose u in the problem. Okay, basically whenever we are doing integration by parts, we have to select u and v and then we have to apply the formula. Alright, if I am writing x e to the power x dx, so here I can see that x is an algebraic term and e to the power x is an exponential term. So algebraic is coming first in LIATE rule. So this will be u because algebraic is coming first, and e to the power x will be v of the problem. Now this is a case when we are taking algebraic and exponential. If a problem is there, sine x into log x and dx. Now what is sine x? This is not inverse trigonometric, okay, because there is no inverse sign there in the problem. So this is trigonometric function, sine x. So trigonometric is coming here and log x is coming at the first place. So whatever is coming at the first place, that will be u of the problem and other function will be v. Okay, so we'll do problem one by one and I'm sure you are going to identify things very easily. Let's start with the first problem. Definitely we are going to start with the very basic problem and then we'll complicate the things. So first problem is x e to the power x dx. Now question is, this is x is algebraic, right? This is algebraic term, so it is coming here. And second is e to the power x is exponential. So which one is coming first in the sequence of LIATE rule? So A is coming first. So that's why in our problem u will be x and v, e to the power x will be v of the problem. Okay, so I'm writing here whatever I'm choosing. So here u equals to x and v equals to e to the power x. Okay, now finding the things, before I would like to write down the formula. What we are going to do exactly, we are going to find values of u prime and v1 and we'll put in the formula. Alright, so we are having u, right? So u is u equals to x. So when we are trying to find u prime, what it will become? Derivative of x. This is very simple. So it will become 1. So value of u prime is 1. Next is we have to find v1. So for that I am writing first what is v. Okay, then v1 equals to, formula is integration v dx. What is v here? E to the power x dx. And integration of e to the power x is e to the power x. We don't take plus c right now, so it will be like that only. When we integrate integration this one, so in the end we will put integration constant. Okay, not here. So alright, I get the value of v1 also, it is e to the power x. So next we are going to substitute these values in the formula. This is the formula we are having, and here we have to put all the values. Okay, so integration u into v. What is u? X. What is v? E to the power x dx equals to u into v1. So what is u? X. v1 e to the power x. Okay, I am putting the answer there. Then minus integration dx, I am writing like that. Okay, then what is derivative of u? U prime, its value is 1. And what is integration of v1? E to the power x. Alright, everything is done. Only thing is that we have to solve this integral. Again, this is simple, that integration of e to the power x will be e to the power x only. So x e to the power x minus e to the power x, and now we will include integration constant c. So this is the answer for the first problem. I hope you understood. This one was easy because it was the first problem. So let's get into the second problem now. Second one is integration 5 x e to the power 3x and dx. You can see that 5 is a constant and 5 is in multiplication with integrand. So we can take out 5 outside. That's not an issue. Okay. Just compare again that here x is algebraic. So algebraic here, and other one is exponential. So exponential. So which term is coming first? Again it is algebraic. So alright, in our problem now u is x and v is e to the power 3x. Alright, 5 is a constant. We'll just have to follow that value till the end. Okay, now as we know the formula now, what we will do here, we will find u prime. What is value of u prime? It will be 1, right? And we are going to find value of v1. So integration of v means e to the power 3x dx. Exponential's integration is same, but 3x is disturbing function, so its derivative will be 3. So this is the value of v1. Now integration by parts formula, and let's quickly put all the values here because 5 is here outside. Na? This first term will follow the same over 3, and here we are going to take out 1 by 3 outside integration, e to the power 3x dx. Again e to the power 3x integration will be what? It will be e to the power 3x over 3 again, right? So we are going to write this integration answer. Lastly, what we can do, that we can multiply the denominator, and that is 9 e to the power 3x. For simplification purpose, what else we can do? We can write e to the power 3x common. So, and you can take out 3 also common. That's all part of simplification. Okay, so minus e to the power, sorry, it has gone outside. So now here it is 1 over 9, and if I take LCM here, so this will be 9 and 3 will be multiplied by x minus 1. So ultimately my constant is 5 over 9 e to the power 3x, and inside 3x minus 1. So this is the answer of second problem. Now 2 questions I am going to solve. You can pause the video and solve by your own and just check the solution. So please stay tuned.